Greetings, my friends. This is Andrey. Welcome to another episode. Today we are in the north parts of Phuket, and I will present you the newest villa at our catalog that will surprise you. The villa located in between Surin and Bang Tao, but closer to Surin beach, overlooking to both areas, Surin and Bang Tao. Villa has 9 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, private elevator, private pool, plenty of parking spots, very private, secure, overlooking the beaches. Incredible villa that is available for rental, and it's newest villa at our catalog, and it's gorgeous. You're gonna fall in love at the villa, and you can rent it out for short-term rentals. Welcome to a new episode. My name is Andrey. I'm the private property consultant here in Phuket. We're helping you to purchase or rent the very high-end properties here in Phuket. Welcome to Villas Animo. Let me show you around. Let's go.
Between the lights, I feel clear. Between the lights, you're here. Between the lights, I feel clear. Between the lights, you're right here. Yeah.
Villa consists of 4 levels. You can find here 9 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms. You have a gym, you have a spa, you have 9 bedrooms, 2 of them are master bedrooms. You have a private pool, plenty of parking spaces. You do have outdoor and indoor dining areas. I prefer outdoors. It looks gorgeous. In the evening time, it's going to be perfect for your family and friends together at outside. It's incredible. So you have a fireplace, which is over there. They're going to be doing that very, very shortly. And privacy, security, CCTV. On the ground floor, you have a place where you can play a snooker. There is a bar. There is a karaoke, maybe PS5. On the ground floor, there is a entrance, and on the ground floor you can find big space for your entertainment purposes. In general, there is indoor kitchen. There is another Thai kitchen, which is also indoor. For elderly people, you can find the elevator here. You do have stairs here, which is conveniently done between the floors. You can easily access to another floor. And yeah, pretty much everything that you need. One of the main advantages here you can find, this is a Surin beach. I think 5 minutes away from Surin beach. And this is a Bang Tao beach, around also 5 minutes, and Kamala is over there. I think you can reach Kamala within 7 minutes. Very conveniently located, perfectly designed. It's gorgeous. One of the best villas which I have ever been. It was renovated recently, so the tile, the furniture, interior design, it's perfect. But the owner of the villa, they still left a couple of old-fashioned stuff as a teak floor, etc., etc. So you're gonna be in love with. By the way, there are plenty of natural greens. There's flowers, the jungles, the palm trees, and other things. You're gonna be in love.
Windows blur, the night feels kind. Every thought realigned. I don't need a bigger sign. I let silence draw the line.
Стоимость размещения от $1700 в сутки в самый низкий сезон. So prices per night starts from $1,700, but this is in low season and with the minimum requirements of nights. The highest price could be in peak season, which if I'm not wrong, it's $4,500 per night. However, this is for a 9-bedroom villa. The prices vary, depends on the season and length of the stay. So nowadays we are working under contract with the clients. They booked villa for a month in low season, and the owner of the villa management company gave us very good discount, up to 20%. But the price for your vacation may vary on how many bedrooms you're going to need, because the less bedrooms you need, the cost of them will be less. But yeah, we can negotiate the final price, and this is a gorgeous Absolutely gorgeous villa. If you need like something, there is a chef that you can order massage, you can order barbecue, you can order whatever you need because there is a chef here. Your villa will be very clean and very good condition. It's safe and secure. In case you need more entertainment, the bunk tower is over there with the beach clubs, with the restaurants, with the high-end restaurants, with all infrastructure. Cafe Del Mar is 10 minutes away, even less. So there's going to be a lot of entertainment areas nearby. But Surin Beach and Bunk Tower just 5 minutes away. So it's gorgeous villa in case you want to have some kind of entertainment, or if you would like to just be chill and cozy, it's a great villa for your needs. In case you have any extra questions about the villa, let me know. My contacts down there below, so I can send you the final price for your vacation.
Between the lights, I feel clear. Between the lights, you're right here. Between the lights, I feel clear. Between the lights, you're right here. Ooh.
Villas anymore. Let me walk you through. It's gonna be a little bit windy, but I hope you can hear me. So this is a 9-bedroom villa that I'm shooting today, and this villa is gorgeous. We are in between the Bunk Tower and Surin, and this is how your villa looks like. It's perfect. It's recently been renovated. It has some cool features, but the main feature is the pool. The pool and the view, and the outdoor area is magnificent. You do have several jacuzzi areas here and there. Look at that. So this is master bedroom. This is master bedroom. There are 4 other bedrooms here. The kitchen, the dining, the outdoor. This is another outdoor area. This is a fireplace, and this villa is very great for the big families and friends, specifically for those who likes north parts of Phuket and those who would like to be very close to all infrastructure. Okay, it's closed. Thank you so much. And this is your master bedroom and bathroom. The cool feature is that you have 2 master bedrooms. This is your indoor bathroom. Another cool feature of the bedroom is that balcony, privately located from aside from the main area. This is your master bedroom. Bunk Tower is gorgeous, Surin is gorgeous. Let's go to see other spaces. Here you can spend the time with the family and friends, but I would like to suggest you to spend it here. This is a lazy, cozy area. So the 2 kitchens are here. You do have an indoor and outdoor dining, which is pretty cool. First dining, second dining, and that's your fireplace. Evening time, it's gonna be gorgeous. Have a look at that. The master bedroom is here, master bedroom is here. Looks incredible. For elderly people, we do have a elevator, which is perfect, easy to use, fast, reliable. Let's go downstairs. On the ground floor you will find another entertainment area, which you will be surprised of. So this is your lobby of the villa. That's the main entrance, this way. So anyway, you have the vision. So this is a bar, this is a pool. Here we go, the PS5, projectors, music. So you can do the karaoke here. And this is a cool place for you to just hang out. Looks great. Oh, it looks nice. You can use the staircase as well, and that's the area of the second floor. Believe me, you're gonna be surprised how big that villa is. And it has everything that you need. The parking spots for 2 or 3 cars at least. And that's the areas of the bedrooms. Look at that. This is your bedrooms. All that you need. Plus you have a separate kitchen, but that's not what we're looking for. We will pass by this and we go directly proper gym to stay fit and healthy. So this was Andrey, Harmony Estate, your private property consultant here in Phuket. In case you would like to book the gorgeous villas anymore with us, or in case you have any extra questions about property, real estate here in Phuket, send me the message. Thank you for your time. See you in next episode. Gorgeous villa. We have a big portfolio of luxury villas for rentals and for sales. So thank you for your time. See you in next episode. Absolutely gorgeous and stunning villa that is overlooking that areas. Gorgeous. Thank you so much. See you soon.